knowing the talent and the artistic ability, I mean, knowing that he can do what he does and how he does it and the way that it looks right now and how it's going to turn out is incredible. I mean, I would even say that if he walked in here that day and if he was a complete bozo, which he's not, I probably would have like sucked it up and been like, no, I really want this pool. Like, if he can do that, he could, you know, go about it however he needs to. But obviously just getting along with Ale and the whole team has been, it's made it so easy because just that click thing is there. I mean, definitely. But the talent, aside from the personality, it's the talent too. I mean,
I don't know that it's even close. I mean, there's people that do that at pools, but it's nothing like